Chamath Palihapitiya just dropped a massive bombshell about Tesla's future, and we've gotta talk about it. The problem with almost every Tesla valuation you see on YouTube and on mainstream media, both by bears and bulls, is that it completely ignores two things. One, the extremely underrated energy business of Tesla, which should be at least as big as the Tesla automotive business, but would probably end up being much bigger. Two, the robotaxi future market. In this market, Tesla is already leading since it has 15 billion miles of data and growing faster than anyone else, while the second place Google has only 25 million miles, and the gap keeps growing. The winner of the autonomous driving and, as an extension, the robotaxi market will be the company with the most data, and at this point, nobody is catching Tesla. So, will Tesla stock skyrocket because of their energy division? Keep watching to find out everything. Tesla Incorporated, according to Elon Musk, is more than just a car company. That ambition, which has been pushed aside by the problems of vehicle production for years, is finally coming into focus. Musk's electric car company is putting forth a serious effort in 2022 to become a larger supplier of energy storage, both for individual homes and for the power grid as a whole. It's a good time for Tesla to focus on its energy business, which includes solar and energy storage, which has long been neglected in favor of getting the electric vehicle assembly line up and running. Since Tesla recorded a surprising profit in the third quarter of 2021, Elon Musk has been preaching this message. For almost 2 years, we had to redirect a great amount of resources, Tesla CEO Elon Musk said at a teleconference with Wall Street analysts after the company's earnings in November. Tesla is now expected to have very crazy growth for as far into the future as we can imagine, according to Musk. It would be tough to overestimate the degree to which Tesla Energy is going to be a key part of Tesla's activity in the future, but it would definitely come into play as a major role. Musk, who isn't afraid to make bold statements or ambitions, claimed that Tesla Energy could grow to be around the same size as Tesla's car industry, and that solar would expand at the quickest rate of any of the technologies, with storage coming in second. "I think both over time will grow faster than automotive," he added. "I think especially if you look at like year-over-year growth, it will be absolutely incredible. Over the course of, say, a year, gigantic increase." Beyond the Model 3 point, skeptics make reference to a variety of additional reasons why Musk might be in solar and energy business salesperson mode. In recent years, the solar industry has been connected with more bad than positive headlines. Tesla is facing a shareholder lawsuit over its controversial 2016 acquisition of Solar City. The solar roof that Musk has been touting for years is off to a slow start. Its solar panel plant in Buffalo, New York has been plagued by problems, and its solar business has received negative customer service reviews. Tesla is attempting to draw parallels with Apple Incorporated's hardware ecosystem in the home, which encourages people who have already purchased to buy more. Many Tesla customers already have the triple crown of key Tesla products: an electric car in the driveway, solar panels or Tesla solar roof on the roof, and a Powerwall home battery in the garage, or maybe rigged up outside. Tesla's core idea is to make the home as energy independent and self-sufficient as possible. The concept is to live in a Tesla-powered house. This platter is going to arrive in small doses. Electric cars have long been seen as the gateway to solar, as charging a car results in a significant increase in household electric bills, which solar can help offset over time. Musk estimated in October that a two-car home with both gas vehicles replaced with EVs would have its power consumption doubled. Customers who spend tens of thousands of dollars on Tesla solar equipment are aggressively encouraged to purchase a Powerwall as well. More than 250,000 of them have been deployed around the world so far. Tesla's macro projects are also expected to gain traction this year. For utilities under pressure to cut greenhouse gas emissions from coal and natural gas, battery storage for renewable energy is an appealing option. The 182.5 megawatt Elkhorn battery energy storage system located at the utilities substation near Monterey Bay was built by PG&E Corp and Tesla in the San Francisco Bay Area. It'll be one of the world's largest utility-owned systems when it goes live later this year, capable of powering an estimated 136,500 homes for many hours. Tesla's utility-scale battery product is the Megapack, a modular system that starts around $1.4 million for a 0.8 megawatt battery the size of a shipping container, according to the company's website. A large number of them are used in the Elkhorn system. Musk's team is constructing a facility in Lathrop, California's Central Valley, to begin mass-producing Megapacks. At the heart of Home and Grid is a Tesla pilot program for a so-called virtual power plant. This allows customers of California's 3 largest utilities to dispatch their electricity back to the grid when demand is high. According to the California Public Utilities Commission, Tesla participants hold a total of 42 megawatts of batteries, which is enough to power around 31,500 homes. The company just received a license to sell electricity directly to consumers in Texas, and it's forming an energy trading team to promote batteries to wholesalers. Tesla will have a lot of obstacles to overcome. A scarcity of battery cells and a competitive labor market for experienced electricians have frequently stymied the company's energy goals. Large industrial giants, as well as established rooftop and solar battery installers like Sunrun Incorporated, face stiff competition. Leaders of the company's energy business rarely stay for long periods of time, which can add to delays. Musk's preoccupation on Tesla's solar roof, those shingle-sized pieces of textured glass with photovoltaic cells inside, is a challenge for incoming executives to overcome. More than 5 years after, Musk's demo models helped persuade Tesla shareholders to agree to a $2 billion takeover of the solar panel installer Solar City. The solar roof looks nice and is popular with consumers, but it remains pricey and difficult to install. The acquisition was plagued with issues. Musk was Solar City's chairman and largest shareholder, and his cousins controlled the company day to day. None of this appears to have slowed down the genuine believers. Antonio Garcias, an early Tesla investor and former board member, testified before a Delaware Chancery court during a Solar City purchase trial last summer that the business hasn't strayed from its early aim to reinvent the very way the world produces energy. In my opinion, Tesla was going to be the General Electric of the 21st century, he remarked. Since then, we've been on that path. While the robotaxi market is probably 3 years away, the energy disruption is already taking place and Tesla is leading the way. But is it potentially even bigger? Tesla is running in front of everyone else again. This time, it's happening in the form of energy deregulation and decentralized distribution solutions. The only question is when, not if. Tesla will go full blow Elon on the energy market. And as many people were late to the party when this happened with cars, I assume just as many people will miss out on this opportunity as well. But I know it won't be me, Cathie Wood, or Chamath. Musk also announced that Tesla's full self-driving package will be available on a subscription basis starting in Q1, rather than as a one-time $10,000 add-on, which will allow Tesla to begin adding recurring revenue as it works on improving its self-driving technology. Even if usage only doubles, a $1 trillion valuation makes sense, according to Musk. It's possible that investors are already presuming Tesla's cars will eventually turn into revenue-generating robotaxis. But the company isn't close to having those capabilities yet, and Musk has a history of overpromising when it comes to technological innovation. If you made $50 billion worth of cars, it would be like having $50 billion of incremental profit, basically because it's just software, Musk said. Tesla manufactures electric vehicles that are powered by lithium-ion batteries, which are the same batteries that are used to power smartphones, laptops, and other devices. It would be interesting to see what they come up with in the future. For now, we can only pay attention to Tesla's stock. This company has defied our expectations many times in the past. So, what do you think about Tesla's energy future? Let us know in the comments below.